Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is remainder or REM. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the code in fully free format and we have set the some control option for debugging purpose, which is no debug IO and source STMT. After that, we are declaring some variable here. So I have declared three variables, number one, number two, and result. All of these variable are of numeric type of size 2. Now in main logic, what we are doing, we are just storing some digits to this number. So here I am assigning 21 to number 1 and 5 to number 2 variable. Okay. And below to that, we are just displaying the number 1 and number 2 on the screen. Now here the built-in function comes. So today we are learning about the percentage rem built-in function. So what it will do, suppose we have two values on which we are performing the division. So what it will do, it will find out the remainder of the like it will find out the remainder and display it to the user. So like this function mainly return the remainder of the uh, uh, remainder output which we got from the by the division of two values. Okay, so syntax is very simple. You have to just write percentage rem, then in parentheses you have to pass the first value, then colon, and then the second value. So here on line number 30, what we are doing, we are using percentage rem. We are using percentage rem built-in function on number one and number two variable. So what it will do, it will divide the values. Here you can see that 21 and 5. So it will divide the 21 by 5, and whatever the remainder will be there, it will be transferred or stored into result variable, and after that we are just displaying the result. And on line number 38, we are setting the star in lr equals to star on, just to end the program. So let's compile and call this program. So I'm compiling it. So firstly we are displaying the values, the normal values. So you can see that 21, then we have another second value is 5, and if we divide these two values, then we will got the output as a 1, which is the remainder of the division. Okay, so that's how you can use this percentage rem built-in function. And it is also a built-in function related to the mathematical operations. So if you are working in any insurance domain or banking domain, in that case you can use this percentage rem built-in function to find out the remainder of the values. Okay, so syntax is quite simple. You just have to put percentage rem, then the value 1 and value 2, and once those value 1 is divided by the value 2, then you will get the remainder of the expression. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Share Method.